Hello, my name is Mark Boice with Shiftless, SoCal, California, and welcome to Rides and Wrecks. I'm going to actually show you how to install the windshield of this 1968 Camaro. Same as Firebird, 67 through 69, all the same. You really want to use the proper material, and you actually really want to be able to lay it down properly. I'm going to show you how, but the real secret is the way we lay the glass in. We're going to actually, no, I'm not going to tell you, I'm going to keep it a secret. Let's get started. So what happens is we actually take the correct weather strip and go around the whole edges. We want to be right on the edge all the way around except for the bottom of the glass, which is about 1/4 inch, 3/8 of an inch off that top crest right there. The big secret here is that this stuff is super sticky. So when you go to put the windshield in and you got a partner with you or whatever, and it's the first time or no time or anything like that, you get it too far over, you get it over there. Then all of a sudden, this weather strip actually starts stretching. The glass doesn't start following the curve because it'll get thin and thick and thin and thick. You do not want to actually stretch this. You want to leave it the full height all the way around. Now comes the secret. What we're going to do is we're actually going to spray some detailer on our seal here. When we do that, it's going to allow us to actually position the windshield where we want it. We're actually going to be able to shim it the height instead of just sitting on the stops. We want to make sure that when we put the moldings down on there, it's absolutely bitchin'. I'm going to get prepared and then show you how. So with a qualified assistant, if you can find one, what we're going to do is we're going to take the windshield at the top. I got about 1/2 inch over here from the side to side. What do you got there? What do you got? Edgar, what do you got?
Right there.
Got a big gap.
5/16.
Side to side, right there. Let's drop it in right there. Okay, I got about a finger right here. You got about a finger?
About a finger.
Okay, we're high at the top, we're not touching the sill. So what we're going to do is we're actually going to add a shim to our bottom stop. See how easy the glass moves up? I got about 1/4 inch. Put this shim over on the other side there. Now we're able to actually move the glass back and forth to where we really want it. We can actually move it up and down also. We have really nice gaps all the way around. We didn't stretch the seal. And now for the final trick. So like I said, you're able to actually move the glass back and forth without stretching the sill. It actually doesn't leave it real sticky, so if you drop it in the wrong place, you still are not messing anything up. What you want to do is go back and just slightly push on the glass, and you'll actually see the difference where it's actually sealed and not, because it'll actually push that detailer right out of there. So as you can see, it's sealed right there. And when we start to push the glass down, right, you can actually see the detailer coming out of there. Now we can ensure that we get a positive seal on here. We didn't push the glass too hard down, so when we put our moldings in there, everything's good and golden. So a lot of glazers and window companies, what they want to do is they want to lay down a little silicone bead there. The windshield doesn't stay flat. The windshield will actually follow that silicone. That silicone starts squeezing out, makes it all ugly on the inside, around the whole dash and everything. And when you go to put the moldings on, they will not fit nicely with the silicone. With this style rope, we're going to wait overnight. We're going to put the car out in the sun. We'll be able to actually push the glass exactly where we want our moldings to set. So we don't have any big gaps. It's going to be nice and tight and trim and clean. My name is Mark, and I want to thank you for watching Rides and Wrecks. And remember to subscribe to our channel for some really cool tips, tricks, windshield installs, and next our rear window glass install. Stay tuned, it's almost over.